Alright, today's video, getting into the Christmas spirit here. Christmas is next week, so I'm going to put some lights around my van, get into the spirit. I have power plugs, so why not take advantage of it? When I was younger, I would always try to convince my parents to let me open Christmas presents early. Of course, they always gave me the main present, but they would let me open random presents from aunts or uncles. They let me open those early. As I've gotten older, I appreciate Christmas a lot more now. So if someone gives me a gift, I always wait until Christmas. It would drive my coworkers crazy because they would always be like, "Open it now. I want to see you open it now." I said, "No, I'm going to wait for Christmas." I cherish it now. I like giving more, so I always give my loved ones presents, and I always look forward to seeing their reactions. So I enjoy Christmas a lot now. So since we have 1 week left, I'm going to go ahead and put these lights around my van here. See how it looks? I've never done this before. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, this is freaking overkill, man. 37 feet of light is a lot. I should have got less than 37 feet, but this was like $5. Look at that. Christ, man. Okay, got my lights all set up here. There's no on-off switch, so to turn it on I have to plug it in. So there you go. There's different modes. So that one like blinks really fast. We'll probably go with this one. Oh, this is steady. The steady light. You gotta like a slow one there. I like that one. So it's coming out the window right there. So let me go ahead and show you guys what it looks like outside. There you go. On the roof rack there. Close the door here. Okay, there it is on the roof rack. On the ladder. Right there. And then come around. And you can see where the wire's coming out of. Right there. I didn't rest the window on any light bulbs, so there you go. Come around. So I could take Christmas with me wherever I drive. Alright. So if I don't make another video for the rest of the year, everyone have a safe Christmas. It's not happy holidays, it's Christmas. So everyone be safe. Santa's real. Kick ass. And take it easy. Catch you guys whenever I upload on here again. Merry Christmas.